Okay, hi, good day and all my students. So today we are going to learn about chapter 6, gradient and area under a graph. Okay, by me, teacher Adila. Okay, so here is our overview. There are two types of graph for your SPM, which are distance time graph and then speed time graph, and then you will get a rate because it is dealing with time, because you have time over here as your x-axis. And then you have to apply from previous learning, which is the formula of gradient on a straight line and formula of area. It depends on the shapes that you will get. Okay, next, the first one is distance time graph. So this is the overview of distance time graph. Distance here, the unit is meter versus time in second. So you have to know your title of the axis. Okay, so this is, let's say you have 2 points, 2 plots, which is from ACS to terminal 1. So I'm giving you the overview for in your everyday life. So from ACS, maybe from the guard house, you want to go to the terminal 1, it is about 200 meters. So, and then there you will stop at one place in terminal 1. So the declining line here means you are going back from terminal 1 to ACS. Okay, so recap back, from ACS go to terminal 1, and then this is where you are stationary, which is you stop, you are not going anywhere. Okay, and then next you walk back from terminal 1 to ACS. So means from ACS to terminal 1, 200 meter, and then plus another 200 meter here. So the total of distance you will get is 400 meter, your total journey. Okay, so here is it, from 2 places means 2 points. Alright. Okay, so we are dealing with the horizontal, the x-axis, which is time taken. So you will see here we are going to have the coordinates. So the first one, usually the question will ask you, okay, first 30 seconds. Where do I get this? 30 minus 0. So the duration of time is first 30 seconds. Next 180 minus 30 seconds. You will have duration 150 seconds. You stop at one place at terminal 1, and then you go back last 60 seconds, whereas 240 minus 180. Okay, so next one, distance time graph. Okay, so now we are dealing with the calculation. That is the overview of your distance time graph. You will get the speed for the allocation time from the gradient of the graph. So means you will have speed, means you are dealing with rate. Okay, so don't forget our formula, which is m equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And then another one, we are dealing with plot coordinates, means you have to have two coordinates. So means the first coordinate is 0, 0. Second coordinate is 30, 200. So means x depan, y belakang. And then don't forget your format of coordinates. So you will have x1, y1, and then x2, y2. And then how to get the speed? Okay, y2 minus y1. So 200 minus 0 over 30 minus 0. So you will get your speed, means positive, because of go to. So means 6.7 meter per second. So don't forget your unit. Okay, next, what about your during your stationary there in terminal 1, tak tahulah nak beli apa, beli SIM card ke apa ke, beli prepaid ke, top up and what not. And then so there is no speed here. Okay, which means 0 meter per second. Okay, you stop here, stationary. So now next, the decline, okay, the decline here, declining, you will have two coordinates from here, which is 180 to 100, and then 240, 0. So you must identify x and y first. Please don't forget to write this. It's very important and helps you to clear up. So next you will have x1, y1, and then x2, y2. Then what you do, you substitute into the formula of gradient. So you will have 0 y2 minus y1. Bila y2 dulu kat depan, x2 mesti dulu kat depan. So means 0 minus 200 over 240 minus 180, and then you will get the speed. Why it is negative? Negative means the declination, plus negative means you are going back from the place. Alright. So for distance time graph, the conclusions that we can get the distance, we can get the total distance, alright, means going through to plus walk back. Okay, and then we will know the time taken. You should look closely of your questions. And then another one is speed, positive and negative, which is the formula of gradient. Okay, thanks for watching. We will be back with part 2. Don't go anywhere.